First product I recommend for smaller gaps and holes, usually under 1/4 inch, is just a 100% pure silicone. What I like about this is it's perfect for outdoor, it's extremely durable, and it's also used for indoor, so I can use it across multiple different projects. Now, this GE brand is a bit expensive, around about $15 per tube. If you want to go about half price, I do like the Dynaflex 230 from DAP. Now, this is not 100% silicone, but it is paintable and you can get it in a number of different colors. So if you want something a little cheaper that should also hold up well, but not quite as good, you can go with the Dynaflex 230. I usually start off by filling in any voids or gaps. So I'll just fill those in with the silicone, and then I'll put a new layer all the way around, trying to adhere the silicone both to the lines but also to the vinyl siding. I want to bond on both sides so the vinyl siding will move around a bit, and I want to make sure that this is going to be able to flex but also maintain a seal and not just break open a new gap in less than a year. I'm using a shim to smooth that out. It is not a beauty contest, but it is nice to kind of have a little bit more of a fit and finish look, or just to spread that out to make sure it's adhering all the way around the lines and also that thermostat wire. Now you can just move on to smaller holes. Classic one would be like coax cable coming into your home, or something like this where it's a wire that actually reads a meter. And then kind of to the edge of what I would use this for, I'm using my carpenter pencil because it's just a good reference. A carpenter's pencil is 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch, and you can see I'm right at that 1/4 inch, which is large of a gap that I use silicone to seal on an exterior part of my home. So I'll just work it again around this gas line coming in, which is another classic area where bugs can get in or you have a gap, and just smooth it out to get a nice finished product. So hopefully that helped you guys out, and my silicone is still holding up after multiple years of use, and that's why that 100% high quality silicone is a nice one to go with. You can check links in the description and you'll see those products that we are using. Now, if you have a little bit larger gaps, you might want to turn to a different product, which is spray foam. So you can check out this video right here where we go over the silicone option, but then also when do I use foam and what are some of the best practices for that. So thanks for joining me on this video, and we'll catch you on that next one. Take care.